Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 3, Nature of Matter. Students, in the previous session, we had discussed properties of matter such as appearance and feel, transparency, floating or sinking, and diffusion. In today's session, we will discuss next property of matter, dissolution. Dissolution. Students, when one substance mixes completely with another substance to give a clear solution, we say it has dissolved. The property by which a substance dissolves in another substance is called dissolution. Water can dissolve a large number of substances in it. Students, let us learn about the dissolution of solids, liquids, and gases in water. Students, some solids dissolve in water and some do not dissolve. Let us understand dissolution of solids in water with the help of an activity. Take 3 test tubes and fill them half with water. Mark the test tubes as 1, 2, and 3. Add half teaspoon of salt in test tube 1, sand in test tube 2, and sugar in test tube 3. Shake the test tubes well. We will see that salt and sugar dissolve in water. They are said to be soluble substances. Sand does not dissolve in water, hence it is insoluble substance. Students, let us now understand the following terms: solubility and saturated solution. The maximum amount of a substance that can be dissolved in a given volume of water is called the solubility of that substance in water. Whereas a solution in which more amount of a given substance cannot be dissolved at a given temperature is called a saturated solution. Let us understand the meaning of saturated solution with the help of an activity. Take a glass tumbler half filled with water. Add half teaspoon of sugar in it and stir well. The sugar dissolves. Now add another half teaspoon of sugar and stir. This will also dissolve. Keep on adding sugar in half teaspoon amounts and stir well after every addition. After adding a particular amount of sugar, we will observe that sugar is no more dissolving in the given volume of water. This means maximum amount of sugar has been dissolved in a given volume of water. Count the number of half teaspoons of sugar that have been added. This is a measure of the solubility of sugar in the given volume of water. Students, the above activity can also be performed by adding common salt in water instead of sugar. The solution obtained in the above activity cannot dissolve more sugar. Such a solution which cannot dissolve more amount of a given substance at a given temperature is called saturated solution. Students, let us see effect of temperature on solubility. Students, on increasing the temperature, that is on heating a solution, the solubility of a substance generally increases. This means in a given volume of water, a larger amount of a substance can be dissolved if water is heated. This can be understood with the help of an activity. Take equal volume of water in two separate glass tumblers. Heat the water in one of the tumblers. Now add equal amounts of sugar in two tumblers and stir. The sugar dissolves. Keep on adding measured amounts of sugar in two tumblers till it stops dissolving. Students, let us find out in which tumbler more amount of sugar has got dissolved. We will find that the amount of sugar dissolved in hot water is more. This shows that the amount of a substance dissolving in water generally increases with an increase in temperature. Students, this is all about dissolution of solids in liquids. In the next session, we will learn dissolution of liquids in water and dissolution of gases in water. Till then, take care. Goodbye.